So it's time for another soup. This one's going to be low fat, high protein, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Shu here from Shu on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow a whole food plant-based way of eating. On my channel you're going to find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes that anybody can make. They are so easy. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram for more plant-based content. And please check out the description box below is where you will find the full recipe plus all the links to my resources like my online course, my newsletter, my Facebook group, and my e-guide. Also, my favorite products are down there, so there's a lot to check out, so please do so. So in today's video, I will be making a whole food plant-based soup. It's going to be made with chickpeas and sweet potatoes and some red lentils, and it's going to be high in protein but also low in fat. So this soup is great for weight loss. It's great for preloading. Preloading is just eating something low calorie before your main meal, and this is a great preload meal. It will help fill you up on the low calorie density foods, and then when you get to your main meal you're not going to be eating as much of the higher calorie foods. So all in all, a really good solid recipe. So let's get started. So I have about 3 tablespoons of water heating up in this pot, and I just want to show you the veggies I'm putting in. I'm putting in onions, carrots, celery, and zucchini. So those are going to go in for about 6 minutes till they get softened. So this is full of non-starchy vegetables, very low in calorie, very low on the calorie density scale. And that's how you reduce the calories in a recipe, is you load up on these non-starchy vegetables, and it helps dilute the calories. So you can eat a lot, get real full, feel satisfied, but not be consuming a ton of calories. And that is one of the secrets to losing weight. Okay, now we can throw everything else in. I'm going to throw a teaspoon of minced garlic, and I just use the one in the jar. I don't care. We'll just mix this around for about a minute. Now for spices, I'm doing a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And we'll give that a stir. Now I'm just adding in a sweet potato. It's a Japanese sweet potato, and some cauliflower. I just had some cauliflower in the fridge that was going to go bad, so I just decided to throw it in. We're going to add about 6 cups of water, 1 can of rinsed chickpeas, 1/2 cup of red lentils, 1 no chicken bouillon cube. Bring this to a boil. If you don't have the bouillon cube, you can just use 6 cups of veggie broth. I'm also going to add in a couple tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Get some extra protein, and I just like the flavor of nutritional yeast, so if you don't like it, then you can leave it out. Then we'll let this go for about 15-20 minutes once it comes to a boil, till the potatoes are soft. And then we're going to add in some kale, a little lemon juice, and then we are good to go. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. Everything is looking good. I'm going to blend half the soup. So blended, but we still have some chunks in here. All right, now we're gonna add in a couple cups of kale, a couple tablespoons of lemon juice, and the heat is off of the soup. I'm just gonna put the lid on and let it sit in here for about 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna taste it and see if I need to add any more salt, pepper, whatever. And then we will give it a taste. Or I will give it a taste. Okay, finished product here. After all is said and done, it's about 205 calories per serving and 15 grams of protein, so not too bad. Really low calorie density, great for preload. So good. These are, I love these hearty soups. They're just so filling and low calorie, so perfect for weight loss. If you like this video, if you learned something, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Be sure to check out the full recipes in the description box below. And if you made it this far in the video, please comment below with preload, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate it. And this will be the last video that you'll see me with my bangs in my face. I'm finally getting them cut tomorrow. They've been driving me crazy. So if you've been wondering what the heck, I'm getting them cut tomorrow. So remember that all my recipes are good for you. They're good for the animals and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.